Gary, on your right. That building diagonal towards you. Watch that window. I got him. Got your back, Freddy. Move up. Nacarado. We gotta move up. Chris on me. We're gonna move to the middle. Let's go. Cover fire down line. Yeah, cover fire down line. Clear. Gun. Yo, I'm taking fire up here. Yo, I gotta reload. There's right there. Shoot that guy. You see him? Far. Alright, watch this side. I'm gonna take care of it. Oh, he's right there.
Guy in that building with the camo wrap on it.
Roger that. Yo, keep fire on that guy right there. Chris, cover fire, moving up. You, give me cover fire to the left side, alright? Ready? Go, cover fire! Camo building! Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Ready, go. Yes, I got him. Left side is wiped out. I got you cover. You ready? Got him. He's out. Now get down, God damn it! Nacarado, where are you? Got him.
Hey. I don't see anybody ahead of me.
Alright, look. That bunker, see that window? Yeah. Nice job, dude.
Me too. Holy fuck, I just wasted about 4 mags in between
that
minutes
was
I was
great.
playing.